Welcome to Chinnu Maths tutorial. Today we discuss intermediate second year mathematics paper 2B. The topic is circles. Already circles మీద 2 parts కంప్లీట్ చేశాను. సో ఈ పార్ట్లో మనము ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాము. సో వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు ఇంకా ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అదేవిధంగా పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో అందుతుంది. సో నోటిఫికేషన్స్ రాకపోయినా ఎవ్రీడే ఈవినింగ్ 6:30 తర్వాత మన ఛానల్ ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేయండి, కంపల్సరీ క్లాసెస్ అప్లోడ్ చేయబడి ఉంటాయి. సో వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియోని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ కూడా షేర్ చేసి మన ఛానల్కి సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ సపోర్టింగ్. వి డిస్కస్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ నెంబర్ 6. ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇఫ్ 2x² plus ay² minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 represent a circle. What is say? Represent a circle and also find its radius. See here, any circle, the second degree equation ax² plus 2hxy plus by² plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It is a second degree equation. The second degree equation, it is represent a circle equation. It is satisfying the first condition is x² coefficient should be equivalent to y² coefficient. First condition. The second condition is h equal to 0. That means xy coefficient equal to 0. Then the third condition is g² plus f² minus c is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. What is say? Find the a value. If you take any one condition, you will get a value. After that, substitute the a value in that equation, then you can find the radius. Okay, already we discussed this concept. So according to this concept, we can write what is the given equation. Given equation of the circle, given equation of the circle, what is this given? 2x² plus ay² minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Okay. Next, x² coefficient, it is equal to y² coefficient. Equation 1 represent a circle. Suppose the equation 1 is represented a circle, it is satisfying the condition x² coefficient should be equivalent to the y² coefficient. According to this condition, what is the x² coefficient equal to 2? It is equal to y² coefficient equal to a. So what is the a value equal to 2? Again, substitute the a value in equation 1. So then equation 1 becomes 2x² plus 2y² minus of 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, it is the required equation of the circle. We can observe the equation of the circle, it is not a general form. What is our general form equation? Equation of the circle in general form is x² plus y² plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It is called general equation of the circle. But here x² y² coefficient both are equal, it is equivalent to the 1. But here what is x² coefficient are equal, but it is not equal to 1. So we can convert into the general form. See here, x² coefficient equal to 2, y² equal to coefficient equal to 2. So that is why above equation divides by 2. So what will get? 2 by 2 means both are gets cancelled. x² plus y² minus of 3 by 2 into x plus 2 by 2 means both are gets cancelled, will get y minus of 1 by 2 equal to 0. So then the equation 1 is converted into the general form, x² plus y² plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then what is the 2g value equal to? 2g equal to x coefficient. What is the x coefficient into? Minus 3 by 2. 2f equal to y coefficient, that is equal to 1. Then c equal to constant value minus of 1 by 2. Then g equal to taking the cross multiplication minus of 2 into 2 minus 3 by 4. F equal to 1 by 2. Again c value same. What is say? Find the radius. The radius r equal to square root of g² plus f² minus c. Then you can substitute r equal to square root of g² value. What is our g² value equal to? Minus 3 by 4 whole square plus f² 1 by 2 whole square minus of c, minus into minus, plus 1 by 2. then you have to calculate, you will get the radius of the circle. Then r equal to square root of 9 by 16 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. What is the LCM of 2 comma 4 comma 16? So that is equal to 16. The 16 is the LCM. Then you can write 16 both are gets cancelled, 9. Again 4 ja 4 into 1 4, 2 8 ja 16, 8 into 1 8. So finally you can write the r value, it is equivalent to square root of 8 plus 9 plus 4 equal to 13, 13 plus 8 equal to 21, root of 21 by 16 to root of 21 by 16, it is equal to root of 21 by root 16 equal to 4. So then it is the radius r equal to root 21 by 4. Next question we discuss, find the value of a comma b given one equation, it is represented as circle equation, then find the radius and center of the circle. See here what is it is also same, the given equation it is represented a circle equation. So what is the given equation is given that ax square plus b into xy plus 3y square minus of 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Take this is equation 1. What is say according to the problem, the equation 1 is represented as circle. So then equation 1 represents a circle, it is satisfying to the first condition. What is our first condition is x square coefficient equal to y square coefficient. So let's see in equation 1 what is x square coefficient equal to a, it is equal to y square coefficient equal to 3. So directly we will get, according to the first condition you will get a value. What is a value? Equal to 3. Take the second condition, xy coefficient equal to 0, xy coefficient equal to 0, it is the second condition. According to the second condition, in equation 1 what is the xy coefficient equal to b, then b equal to 0. By using equation 1 and 2 you will get a value and b value. Again a comma b values substitute in equation 1, the equation 1 becomes then substitute, what is a value equal to 3 into x square plus b value equal to 0 into xy, that will be 0, and 3y square minus of 5x, next plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. We can observe this equation, it is not a general form. Why? Because the general form of the straight line having the x square y square coefficient both are equal and also it is equivalent to the 1. So that is why the above equation is divides by 3 on both sides. So that means the above equation you have to convert into the general form. So then x square plus y square minus of 5 by 3 into x plus 2 by 3 into y minus of 3 by 3 means 1 equal to 0. Take this is equation 2. After converting the equation 1 you will get equation 2. Equation 2 is a general form of the circle. To compare to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then you have to compare to the above equation, you have to compare to this one. What will get? 2g equal to x coefficient equal to 2g, in above equation x coefficient equal to minus 5 by 3, 2f equal to y coefficient, what is y coefficient equal to? Again 2 by 3, then the constant value c equal to minus 1, then g equal to minus of 5 by 2 into 3 6, then 2 both are gets cancelled, then f equal to 1 by 3, then c equal to minus 1. You will get g, f, c values. After that write the center of equation 2. From the equation 2 write center c equal to minus g comma minus f. It is the center of the general equation of the circle. So then you can write it is equal to minus of g value minus of 5 by 6 comma minus f minus of 1 by 3. So finally you have to write the center of the equation 2 is minus into minus plus 5 by 6 comma minus of 1 by 3. You will get the center. After that find the radius also. Then radius r equal to, what is the principle? Square root of g square plus f square minus of c. It is equal to square root of g square minus 5 by 6 whole square plus f square 1 by 3 whole square, then minus of c, minus into minus plus 1. So then r equal to, you can write square root of 5 by 6 whole square means 25 by 36, again plus 1 by 9 plus 1. What is the LCM of 9 comma 36? That is equal to 36. Then root of 36, you can write 36 both are gets cancelled. What will get? 25 plus 9 4 are 36, 4 into 1 again 4 plus 1 into 36, 36. It is equal to square root of 25 plus 4 29, 29 plus 36 equal to 65, root 65 by 36. So finally you have to write root 65 by root 36 means 6. So it is the radius. So the center C equal to 5 by 6 comma 1 by 3 and the radius r equal to root of 65 by 6. Next we discuss one more important question. Find the given one equation. It is represented a circle with the center is given the center also 2 comma 3. Find g comma f and its radius. Let's see here, given the equation is given that, what is the equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equal to 0. Equation 1. What is saying? Equation 1 is represented as circle equation. So that is why equation 1 is represent a circle. So that means it is satisfying to the three conditions. Next, given center C equal to, in generally the center C equal to, what is the given that 2 comma 3. Okay, so center of equation 1 is, center of equation 1 is implies, then C equal to, it is a general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So what is the general equation of the circle having the center is minus g comma minus f. Okay, we can observe these two centers, the left side values are equal. Automatically we have to equating the right side parts. So that means minus g comma minus f, it is equivalent to 2 comma 3. Okay, equating the first coordinate and second coordinate. Minus g equal to 2, then g equal to minus 2. Similarly, minus f equal to 3, then f equal to minus 3. Next, find the g comma f values. You will get the g equal to minus 2, then f equal to minus 3. After that find the radius. The radius r equal to, what is the principle of r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus of c. So then you can substitute r equal to root of g square. What is the g value equal to minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square plus f square equal to minus 3 whole square, then minus of, what is the c value? C is the constant value. From the equation 1 the c value equal to minus 12, minus into minus plus 12, since c equal to minus 12 from equation 1. Okay, then you have to calculate. Then r equal to square root of minus 2 whole square means 4, minus 3 whole square means 9 plus 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 9 25, then r equal to root of 25, then r equal to 5. It is the required radius. Next we discuss the same question, same model. If given one equation, it is represented a circle equation with the center already given, the center also minus 4 comma minus 3. Find g comma f values and also find the radius of the circle. First take the given equation. Given equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0. Take this is equation 1. we can observe the equation 1, it is the general form of the circle. Every general equation of the circle having the center is minus g comma minus f. And also you can observe this equation, here there is no constant value. So that means what is the constant value? C equal to 0. So directly from equation 1, the center C equal to minus g comma minus f. Okay. Next, given that according to the problem, what is the center C equal to? Center C equal to minus 4 comma minus 3. We can observe these two equations. The left side values are equal. Automatically you have to equating the right side values. So then minus g comma minus f equal to minus 4 comma minus 3. So then minus g equal to minus 4 minus f equal to minus 3. Then minus minus both are gets cancelled. G equal to 4 and f equal to 3. You can find g comma f values. Getting the g value 4 and f value equal to 3. Next, after that find the radius. The radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus of c. Then it is equal to r equal to square root of g square value 4 whole square, f square 3 whole square. From the equation 1 minus of c, then c value equal to 0, since from 1 implies c equal to 0. From the equation 1, the constant value should be equivalent to 0. Then r equal to square root of 16 4 square, 3 square means 9, 16 plus 9 equal to root 25. Again you will get the radius r equal to 5. Next we discuss, this is very important question. If given one equation, it is represented as circle equation and with radius equal to 6, already given the radius is also. Then find the value of c, find the constant value c. So first taken as given equation, what is given equation is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equal to 0. Take this is equation 1. Okay. Again given that radius r equal to what is the radius r equal to 6. Okay. General equation of the circle, what is the general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Equation 2. We have to compare equation 1 and 2. We will get g comma f values. Okay. So in equation 2, what is the x coefficient equal to 2g? Comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we will get the x square coefficient, x coefficient equal to 2g, it is equal to, from equation 1 what is the x coefficient equal to? Minus 4. From equation 2 what is the y coefficient equal to? 2f, it is equal to the y coefficient equal to 6. The constant value c equal to c. Then 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, then g equal to minus 2. F equal to 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, then f equal to 3, then c equal to c. What is say? Find the radius. Given the already radius value equal to 6, find the c value. So then r equal to radius, what is the principle? Then square root of g square plus f square minus of c. But already according to the problem given that the r value equal to 6, then you can substitute 6 equal to square root of g square. What is our g value equal to? Minus 2 whole square plus f square, f value equal to 3 square minus of c. Then you have to calculate 6 equal to square root of minus 2 whole square means 4 plus 9 minus of c. Then 6 equal to root of 9 plus 4, 13 minus c. Squaring on both sides. So then 6 square equal to 36, square root both are gets cancelled, you get 13 minus c. Okay. Minus c can be written as here, 36 can be written as here. Their sign should be changed. Then c equal to 13 minus 36, then c equal to minus of 23. So then what is the c value equal to? C equal to minus of 23. Next bit we discuss, find the center and radius. you have to find center and radius of each of the circle whose equations are given below. Given some equations, by using this equation of the circles you can find center and radius. Take the first question. Given circle is, what is the given, that x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y and minus 41 equal to 0. Take, this is equation 1. Let's see, first you have to observe that the given equation is, it is general form or not. See here, first of all, x square y square coefficient both are equal, and also these are equivalent to the 1. So that is why it is the general form. Suppose the given equation is not a general form, you have to convert into the general form first of all. After that find the center and radius. Okay, it is the general form. So then you can write center. Center C equal to, what is our principal center? C equal to minus x coefficient by 2 comma minus y coefficient by 2. So then C equal to minus of, what is x coefficient equal to? Minus 4. Then minus 4 by 2 comma minus of y coefficient, what is y coefficient equal to? Minus 8 by 2. It is equal to minus into minus plus, then 4 by 2 comma again minus into minus plus 8 by 2. Then 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. So then what is the center? C equal to 2 comma 4. After that find the radius. The radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus of c. So then this is the value. What is the center in general denoted by? Minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f. So that means what is the g value equal to? Minus 2. F value equal to minus 4. Then substitute r equal to square root of g square minus 2 whole square plus f square minus 4 whole square minus of c. What is the c? In equation 1 the constant value should be equivalent to c. What is the c value? Equal to minus 41. Minus into minus plus 41. From equation 1 implies c equal to minus 41, constant value. So then r equal to square root of minus 2 whole square means plus 4, again 4 square means 16 plus 41. 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 41 equal to root of 61. This is the radius of the given circle equation. Next we discuss the next question. Second one, 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Given this is the equation of the circle, we have to find center and radius. So that means given circle is 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. We can observe the given circle equation, it is not a general form. Why? Because x square y square coefficient both are equal, but these are not equivalent to the 1. So convert into the general form. How to convert into the general form? The throughout equation is divided by x square y square coefficient. What is x square y square coefficient? Equal to 3. So that is why divides by 3. Divides by 3. Then x square plus y square minus of 5 by 3 into x minus of 6 by 3 into y plus 4 by 3 equivalent to 0. It is equation 1. Let's see here. After dividing by 3 on both sides, this equation is converted into the general form. It is in the form of x square plus y square. Both coefficients are equal. It is equivalent to the 1. So then find center. Center C equal to, in generally denoted by minus g comma minus f. It can be written as minus x coefficient by 2 comma minus y coefficient by 2. So then C equal to minus of x coefficient. What is x coefficient? Equal to minus of 5 by 3 by 2 comma minus of y coefficient. What is y coefficient? Equal to minus of 6 by 3 by 2. Okay. Then C equal to minus into minus plus 5 by 3 by 2 means directly you have to write 3 into 2, that is equal to 5 by 6. Here minus into minus plus, then you can write 6 by 3 by 2 means 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. Then both are gets cancelled. What will get? C minus G comma minus F equal to 5 by 6 comma 1. So that means minus G equal to 5 by 6, then G equal to minus of 5 by 6, then minus F equal to 1, then F equal to minus 1. It is the center of the given equation of the circle. Find the radius. Then R equal to square root of G square plus F square minus of C. It is equivalent to G square. So directly have to square. 5 by minus 5 by 6 whole square means 25 by 36 plus minus 1 whole square means plus 1. From the equation 1, what is the constant value equal to C value? Minus of 4 by 3. From 1, the C value equal to plus 4 by 3. Okay. Then calculate. Then R equal to square root of what is the LCM of 3 comma 36 equal to 36. Then you can write 36 both are gets cancelled, will get 25 plus 1 into 36 plus 3 into 12, again 12 into 4 minus 48. It is equal to square root of 25 plus 36 equal to 61 minus 48 by 36. Okay, 61 minus 48 equal to, what is the 61 minus 48 equal to? 50, 11, 13, root 13 by root 36 equal to 6. So then this is the required radius of the given equation of the circle. Next question, the fifth one is, given circle is, what is the given circle? 2x square plus 2y square minus of 4x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. We can observe that it is not a general form. We have to convert into the general form. What is x square y square coefficient equal to 2? So that is why the throughout equation is divided by 2. So that means divides by 2 on both sides. So 2 by 2 both are gets cancelled. X square plus y square minus of 4 by 2 means 2x, 6 by 2 means 3y minus of 3 by 2 equal to 0. So then the equation 1 is the general form of a circle. See here, in that equation you can find the center. What is the center? C equal to, in general it is denoted by minus G comma minus F. It is equal to minus x coefficient by 2 comma minus y coefficient by 2. So then C minus G comma minus F equal to minus of x coefficient. In equation 1, what is x coefficient equal to? Minus 2. Then minus 2 by 2 comma minus of y coefficient. In equation 1, the y coefficient equal to 3. Then 3 by 2. It is equal to minus into minus plus 2 by 2 comma minus of 3 by 2. Then both are gets cancelled. Minus G comma minus F. Then C equal to, it is equivalent to 1 comma minus 3 by 2. It is the center of the given equation of the circle. According to this one, minus G equal to 1, then minus F equal to minus 3 by 2. Then you can write G equal to minus 1, then F equal to 3 by 2. From equation 1, what is the constant value? C equal to, what is the constant value? C equal to minus of 3 by 2. Then you can write minus of 3 by 2. Find the radius. R equal to square root of G square plus F square minus of C. It is equal to square root of G square minus 1 whole square equal to 1 plus F square 3 by 2 whole square equal to 9 by 4 minus of C value equal to minus 3 by 2, minus into minus plus 3 by 2. So then what is the LCM of 2 comma 4? So then 4 is the LCM. 1 into 4, 4 plus 4 cancel, you can write 9 plus 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So then R equal to root of 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 4, 19 by root 4. Finally, you have to write root 19 by root 4 equal to 2. So then it is the required radius of the given equation of the circle. Last question we discuss. Given circle equation is root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus of 2cx minus of 2mc into y equal to 0. In that equation there is no constant value, so that means the c value equal to 0. Next, after that, it is not a general form. Why? Because x square y square coefficients both are equal, but it is not equal to 1. So that is why divides by x square y square coefficient is root of 1 plus m square on both sides. So then by root of 1 plus m square means both are gets cancelled. What will get? X square plus y square minus of 2c by root of 1 plus m square into x minus of 2mc by root of 1 plus m square into y equal to 0. Take this is equation 1. We can observe the equation 1. It is the general form of the circle. General form of the circle means x square y square coefficient both are equal. These are equivalent to the 1. So that is why equation 1 is the general form of the circle. So let's see. Find the center. Then center c equal to minus g comma minus f. Then minus of x coefficient by 2 comma minus of y coefficient by 2. It is the principle of center of the circle. Then c minus g comma minus f equal to then minus of x coefficient. What is the x coefficient equal to? Minus of 2c by square root of 1 plus m square by 2. Again by 2 comma minus of y coefficient. What is the y coefficient? Minus of 2mc by square root of 1 plus m square again by 2. See here, then c equal to minus g comma minus f. It is equal to 2 both are gets cancelled, minus into minus plus c by root of 1 plus m square. Next, again 2 both are gets cancelled, minus into minus plus mc by root of 1 plus m square. It is the center of the given equation of the circle. So then minus g equal to c by root of 1 plus m square. It is equal to then g equal to minus c by root of 1 plus m square. Okay. Then minus f equal to, what is the minus f value equal to? mc by root of 1 plus m square. It is equal to f equal to then minus of mc by root of 1 plus m square. Then find the radius. The radius r equal to square root of g square plus f square minus of c. It is equal to square root of g square. G square means directly have to square c square by square root both are gets cancelled. What will get? 1 plus m square plus f square, squaring directly minus into minus plus m square c square. mc whole square means m square c square by square root both are gets cancelled. What will get? 1 plus m square minus of the constant value equal to c. From the equation 1 there is no constant value, so that means the c value equal to 0. Then the radius r equal to square root of, what is the LCM? 1 plus m square is the LCM. Then the numerator value equal to c square plus m square into c square. In numerator what is the common factor? C square is the common factor. Then square root of c square, write the common factor 1 plus m square by the denominator value equal to 1 plus m square. Then both are gets cancelled. What will get? Root of c square. Then again square root cancel. Then c. What is the radius r equal to? C.